So guess what? We're still early in the world of NFTs, and you should take the time to learn what they are, why to collect them, and how to buy and sell them. Well, here's the video where I'm going to give you all that good stuff. So for starters, NFT was one of the most searched words on Google in 2021. Crazy. And you might have even heard of pictures like this right here, selling for hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars. I know, a digital picture pretty much selling for millions of dollars. And I could explain it all to you why, but I did do that in another video posted on the channel. And that explains everything you need to know about NFTs, what they are and where they came from. But this video is more dedicated to the buying and selling process. And we are live. It's John Doe here. @RealJohnDoe is my Twitter. And I'm about to give you some info on NFTs that's going to help jumpstart your new NFT adventure or investment or whatever journey, whatever you want to call it. Lots of people ask me how they can get into NFTs. Well, here's the video. But I'm going to need you to help me out as well and hit that thumbs up button. Like this video. We're trying to get to 30K subscribers. That's the next milestone. Now, before we get into this, we're looking here at our channel. Look at that new header we got. Currency.com, trade crypto better. If you want to do that, make sure you are subscribed to the channel as well. Like I mentioned, thumbs up button. That helps us out a lot in the YouTube algorithm. You can find this NFT video here. Crypto World Explained. What's an NFT, how to buy and sell them. This video here is going to tell you all you need to know about NFTs. So if you have a basic understanding of NFTs now, like I explained in the previous video on the channel, well, now it's time to show you where to buy and sell them in that whole process. Blockchains. NFTs are built on different blockchains. Let me explain that real quick. So whether you're buying, selling, or creating an NFT, you have to choose which blockchain you're looking for that NFT. Because right now, since NFTs are still new, they're not really cross-chain yet. And most right now are built on Ethereum. And then second comes the Binance Smart Chain. We got Solana and much more. Let's start off with TPS, which is transactions per second. Ethereum, 13 to 15. Flow is 10,000. Binance Smart Chain, 55 to 60. And as you can see right here, the list goes on. Each blockchain also has its native token, which you will need to purchase your NFT or to mint your NFT. Another thing to look at is the top projects that are on that blockchain. What kind of volume do they have and what kind of community do they have? And right now, most NFTs are built on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, for example, the Ethereum blockchain, you have to look at the transaction speed when you do purchase or sell it or mint your NFT. You have to look at the transaction cost and how the smart contract functions. And your main options are Ethereum, also Flow, which is newer, Binance Smart Chain, Cardano, Solana, EOS, Wax, Tezos, Tron, but the choice ultimately comes down to what you decide. And now we have marketplaces. These are digital marketplaces where you can buy NFTs. Now, once you've decided which blockchain you want to use for your NFT, you then look at which marketplaces are available on that blockchain to purchase NFTs. And right now, the NFT marketplace is still growing. The first option we have is OpenSea. And right here are the pros and cons. Reasons to avoid is it uses Ethereums and it has high fees, but it is the most popular. And now it is getting cross blockchain with the Polygon blockchain integrated into there. And it accepts over 150 cryptocurrencies. And OpenSea is this one right here that you see most people using nowadays for NFTs, where the CryptoPunks are, and as well as the Bored Ape Yacht Club. And next we have Nifty Giveaway. And this one has a lot of airdrops, but it is dominated by celebrity endorsements. And then next we have Rarible. I heard a lot about this one. This one has a lot of art, but this one is dominated by big brands such as Coca-Cola and Nike and all those other big brands you've been hearing about dropping their NFTs. Most of them have been here on Rarible. Another option is Binance NFT, which is Binance's own NFT marketplace. If you're familiar with Binance, then this could be a good option for you. And this one does use Binance Chain and the Ethereum blockchain. We also have SuperRare, and this NFT platform is more like an art gallery. But this one here, only certain people can actually use that NFT platform. Number 6, we have async art. That one I'm not too familiar with. We also have Makersplace, Known Origin, Foundation, and as well as Zora. So later on in this video, we're going to have a look here at OpenSea. That's the one where I'll be showing you a little bit of examples. Next we have is minting. What does it mean to mint an NFT, and how can you mint an NFT? Now, for minting an NFT, you either have the option, you can create your own NFT, upload your art or photos to a platform and mint your own digital collectible, or you can mint from a project, an NFT project. And that's when the NFT, they have a drop and you go on their website, connect your wallet, send your Ethereum, and in exchange, you get your NFT in return. Now, for storage of your NFT, where do you keep it? Well, your NFT is a digital collectible. It stays in your hardware or hot wallet, your crypto wallet, in other words. There are a lot of options for crypto wallets nowadays. We have right here, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, My Ether Wallet as well, Engine Wallet. Apparently that one is great for NFT gamers. There's also Coin98 Wallet. We have the hardware wallet. This is the most secure technically. There are some more that aren't here. I know the Coinbase wallet as well. But just so you know, NFTs stay in your wallet. They do not stay on your exchange account. So if you're using Coinbase, Binance, whatever exchange you use to purchase crypto, you can't actually store your NFT on that exchange unless your exchange offers that feature. NFT research. Where do you go to do research on NFTs, and what do you look for? Now, for choosing the right NFT, you need to do some research. You need to look at the community behind it. You shouldn't chase the hype and just buy what everybody's talking about because you want it to 10x, 100x. No, it's really good to actually like the art that you are buying or that you are looking to collect. Think about it when you were younger. If you did collect Pokemon cards or something, you didn't just get the one that everyone wanted, but you also had a card that you enjoyed yourself. So that's what I do myself. Some NFTs, most of the NFTs that I've bought, actually, I've enjoyed the actual art and the project before I was looking for gains behind it, because usually if it's good art and the project has a good roadmap, then it should hold its value and be worth more in the long term. Some tips here to consider is always invest in popular and potential NFTs. Like I said, the ones that could be the next best, not the ones that are, unless you do have that type of money and you want to buy the $250,000 Bored Apes, things like that. But if you're looking for the next best, that's what you need to look for. Don't buy ones that everybody's already talking about. And do your own research to know which NFT to buy, such as looking at the creators, the community behind it, and the actual project and brand and what their goal is. Is it just a get rich quick thing, or are they actually have a goal behind it in the long term that will keep them around and people want to actually hold on to the NFT? And we also have the community. The community is probably the number one thing, because as the community grows, that means more holders and more people now willing to sell their NFT. You know what happens? That increases the actual floor price of the NFT. And then that means your NFT you're holding holds more value as long as that community is strong. As well, don't invest money that you can't afford to lose. When it comes to NFTs, this is such a whole new market in the crypto space and super high risk. So don't be going all in on NFTs. This isn't something you would go all in on. This is something, at first I just did it for fun. Even now, I don't really take NFTs too crazy serious. Like, I'm enjoying the process of the growth of NFTs and being part of this new phase where we have digital money and digital items. And a quick few tips here is how to know the new NFT projects. You look at things as the floor price, the volume, number of owners that actually own it, which marketplaces it's on. You go on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, you search up the NFT. You have to look at all those metrics and the tokenomics for the NFTs. Look at their Twitter, their Discord groups, their website. Make sure they're active and actively engaging with the community. You have to look at the project's leadership as well. Are the creators involved, and what are their intentions? And don't fall for the marketing hype. I know you probably, everybody now in crypto, you get DMs, messages of NFTs, buy now, mint coming up soon. Those are red flags. It's always good. Just take a step back and do at least some of the research that I mentioned in this video before you start rushing into buying an NFT. Now, one of the last things, the process of buying an NFT. How do you do that? Now, let's talk about buying an NFT. So let's say you're on a marketplace here like OpenSea. You can see, you can explore, look at all the stats. These are the top collections over the past 7 days. Here are the CryptoPunks. Now, when you're buying an NFT on OpenSea, On most marketplaces, it will show you the items, amount of owners, as well as the full floor price and the volume traded. Okay, on the CryptoPunks, it doesn't show the floor price. So let's go with one that I like and own myself, Boss Beauties. So for the Boss Beauties, you can see items, owners, floor price, and volume traded. The floor price is what the lowest one is selling for. Now, when you look at the ones that are for sale, there's a lot of options. Buy it now. The auction ones, you can put an offer in. Let's say you want to do a buy now, then you have to pay at least the floor price for an NFT. So let's say we want to buy this one, and there's a price right there. Floor price $6,100. You can make an offer or buy now. And if you were to click buy now, you'd have to have your crypto wallet connected, such as MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet. The ones that I mentioned earlier in the video, you have them connected with enough Ethereum 2.12 to cover the cost of that. But just so you know, there's also a fee on top. So you're gonna need a little bit more. And then you would go through with your purchase just like how you would anything else. And you buy your NFT. And to view it, you just go in your wallet or view my wallet, my collections, and you can view your NFT right there. Now, the last thing to talk about here will be selling your NFT. And since it's on the Ethereum blockchain, you can connect to any marketplaces that uses the Ethereum blockchain and sell your NFT on that marketplace. Or you can load up your wallet on any wallet viewer and view your NFT that you own. Once you buy that NFT, you own it in your wallet, no one else. This OpenSea marketplace is just the middleman. And just so you know, there's no refunds or anything like that. This is all new technology, peer-to-peer trading. That's what's great about blockchain technology. You kind of get to manage your own things. And the same thing when you are selling an NFT. Let's say you own one and you want to sell it here on OpenSea. So you would have to sell it under the collection that you own it under. Let's have a look at these other NFT that I like. Crypto Chicks right here. So let's say I have a Crypto Chick in my wallet and I want to sell it. So you would have your wallet up, load up your Crypto Chick and put it that you want to sell it. You could put it as a set price or put it as an auction, whatever you like. And then once someone purchases that NFT, you can either sell it at floor price if you want to get rid of it as soon as possible. And once someone purchases that NFT, the Ethereum would then be added into your wallet and that NFT would then be gone to that other person. There's my quick beginner guide on trading NFTs, the whole process of buying and selling them and things to look out for. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, I would really appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button as well. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see in future videos and as well what helped you out in this video. And we have much more crypto content right here on the channel. Subscribe if you want more of that. Thank you for watching. My name is John here with Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.